Before the launch of the Xiaomi SU7, Lei Jun openly stated that this would not be a cheap car, and in fact, it might even be a bit expensive. As the first car from Xiaomi, what makes the SU7 expensive? Lei Jun broke down the technological highlights of the Xiaomi car into 5 parts: intelligent driving, intelligent cockpit, supermotor, battery, and integrated die casting. In terms of intelligent driving, Xiaomi has developed its own perception technology with a zoomable BEV, bird's eye view, that allows the vehicle to change visual schemes like human eyes in different scenarios, sensing the environment in real time and dynamically adjusting. For example, in a parking lot environment, the algorithm can divide the entire parking lot into millions of grids, each grid measuring 5 centimeters. Such precision can accurately identify the open or closed status of ground locks. When driving on city roads, the view expands to 160 m, and on highways, the vehicle can see up to 250 m away. The super-resolution occupancy network technology enables the vehicle to better recognize the appearance of objects in the surrounding scene. It can describe obstacles and events as blocks, and with vector algorithms, these independent blocks are combined into models composed of continuous surfaces. This gives the SU7 the ability to clearly see objects, even accurately identifying the contours of irregular obstacles, such as utility poles, parking bollards, etc. The road large model technology can generate road topology in real time, accurately creating corresponding driving guidance lines based on road conditions. It's like how a person judges the road in real time, smoothly navigating around construction or congested areas. Lei Jun showcased recorded scenarios of urban navigation, automatic car finding in parking lots, and automatic parking in mechanical garages. The road large model allows the vehicle to smoothly reverse park even in mechanical garages with just 0.05 m of space left on either side. Besides algorithmic enhancements, these functions also rely on a powerful hardware system. The chip configuration for the SU7's intelligent driving is on par with industry standards. Dual NVIDIA Orin X chips, with a total computing power of 508 TOPS, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 automotive chip, 27 perception hardware components, 1 LiDAR, 11 high-definition cameras, 3 mm wave radars, and 12 ultrasonic radars. The intelligent cockpit was arguably the most surprising segment of the entire launch event, showing other manufacturers how different it is to approach car manufacturing with the mindset used for making smartphones. Lei Jun mentioned that they've essentially installed a tablet onto the central control screen, and it's a large 16.1-inch 3K ultra-clear tablet at that. Surprisingly, the HUD head-up display reaches a size of 56 inches with a brightness of 13,000 nits, covering all lighting conditions. The dashboard below flips every time the vehicle starts, similar to many supercars. At the same time, the backs of the front seats can hold the latest Xiaomi tablets, which can be directly activated in car mode, turning the tablets into control panels for the vehicle. They can adjust the air conditioning, audio system, and even the position of the passenger seat. One of the biggest advantages of the SU7's vehicle system is its almost non-existent learning curve. It operates just like a regular smartphone or tablet. The system boots up quite fast, averaging only 1.49 seconds. OTA, over-the-air, updates also don't take too long, with the intelligent cockpit updating in 3 minutes and the entire vehicle OTA process taking just 30 minutes. These benefits are all made possible by the Pangpai OS. Furthermore, the integration of the car with the smartphone becomes smoother under Pangpai OS. After the driver enters the car, the phone can automatically connect and cast to the vehicle system. Navigation, videos, Faciu, and other applications on the phone can be swiped to be displayed in full screen. The integration of the Xiaomi Car with the Xiaomi ecosystem achieves cross-platform connectivity and seamless transition. This time, Xiaomi introduced its self-developed electric motor, boasting the highest rotational speed in the world. The motors, named V6 and V6S, are first featured in the Xiaomi SU7. The Xiaomi Super Motor V6, designed for the 400V platform, has an output power of 220 kilowatts and is likely to be used in the standard version of the SU7. The V6S, specifically crafted for the 800V high-voltage platform, has an output power of 275 kilowatts. In terms of rotational speed, both motors reach 21,000 RPM, positioning them at the top tier in the industry. The V8S, which will meet the public only in 2025, has already been developed and mass-produced. Lei Jun claims that it is currently the fastest and most powerful motor with the following specifications: maximum horsepower, 578 PS, peak power, 425 kilowatts, peak torque, 635 Nm, highest efficiency, 98.11%. Even more astonishing is the fact that the V8S has achieved an exaggerated rotational speed of 35,000 RPM in the laboratory. Although it is still some distance from mass production, this does not hinder the future Xiaomi cars, powered by this motor, from becoming highly competitive high-performance electric vehicles. Xiaomi is currently developing 3 motors simultaneously. The 21,000 RPM V6/V6S is already in use, and the 27,200 RPM V8S is expected to be implemented by 2025. The rotor pre-research technology in the laboratory is still waiting for some time. Xiaomi has already applied for 155 patents in motor technology and has been granted 60 of them. In terms of battery technology, Xiaomi has developed its own 800V high-voltage platform, capable of reaching an actual voltage of 871V. The battery pack under the 800V high-voltage platform was co-developed by Xiaomi and CATL, contemporary Amperex technology company Limited, accomplished by over 1,000 engineers over 2 years. Additionally, Xiaomi independently developed the CTB, cell-to-body, battery technology, integrating the battery with the vehicle body. This not only strengthens the overall vehicle but also effectively reduces the vertical height of the car, expanding the interior space. The overall thickness of the battery pack is controlled at 120 mm, with a volume efficiency of 77.8% and a capacity of up to 132 kilowatt-hours. Lei Jun proudly stated that this self-developed battery can achieve a range of over 1,000 kilometers. Battery safety is a topic of great concern, and Xiaomi has provided its own solutions. Xiaomi ensures that even at 55 degrees Celsius with a fully charged battery, even if the water cooling system is not functioning, the battery pack will not produce open flames or thermal runaway. This is due to its 17-layer high-voltage insulation protection, providing cooling and thermal isolation capabilities. The battery pack features dual large-area water cooling, covering an area of 7.8 square meters, which is 4 times the industry average. Additionally, it is equipped with 165 pieces of aerogel and thermal insulation materials commonly used in spacesuits on both sides of the battery cells, capable of withstanding temperatures above 1,000 degrees. In terms of impact protection, Xiaomi's battery pack offers 3 layers of top support, 3 layers of side seam support, and 8 layers of bottom protection, a total of 14 layers of robust protection, successfully passing the IP6K9K sealed test. The car's collaborative safety warning system can detect signals from over 800 battery cells per second. In emergencies, this system can cut off the electric current within 4 milliseconds to ensure the safety of the passenger cabin. The highlight of the SU7 battery safety is the inverted cell technology. The pressure relief valve in the cell faces the ground, so in the event of thermal runaway, it won't harm the passengers. Moreover, the triple heat source host heating technology connects the heat pump air conditioner, heater, and electric drive, collecting waste heat generated during the operation of major components to provide heating for the passenger cabin and the battery. Backed by a series of battery and thermal management technologies, Lei Jun claimed at the launch event, Xiaomi aims to be the king of electric vehicle range in winter conditions. In 2020, Tesla ignited a new trend in the electric vehicle industry with its 6,000-ton die casting machine at the Shanghai Gigafactory, integrating over 70 parts into a single model. This time, Xiaomi's die casting machine has a clamping force of 9,100 tons, slightly surpassing Tesla's recently established 9,000-ton press in the United States. As Lei Jun pointed out, it's just a bit larger than Tesla's new 9,000-ton press in the US. To implement the 9,100-ton super die casting technology, Xiaomi approached it from 3 angles. First is the die casting island. Xiaomi independently built a complete die casting island weighing 1050 tons and covering an area of 840 square meters, equivalent to 2 basketball courts. In addition to the 9,100-ton large die casting used for technological exploration and innovation, Xiaomi also prepared traditional stamping methods to ensure production capacity while allowing for more breakthroughs. Second is the material. In collaboration with China's National Material Laboratory, Xiaomi used an AI simulation system to sift through 10.16 million formulae, selecting 2 types of Titan alloys for their raw materials and composition. After 1550 experiments, Xiaomi successfully developed its own Titan alloy. Lastly, the 3-stage rear floor design. Xiaomi divided the 72-in-1 die casting solution into 3 parts for assembly. The rear section is designed as a crumple zone for low to medium speed collisions, somewhat addressing the issue of high repair costs associated with integrated die casting. Intelligent electric vehicles integrate the automotive and consumer electronics industries. Viewing the Xiaomi SU7 from this perspective reveals its essence as part of the Xiaomi ecosystem. The anticipation for the Xiaomi SU7 reflects the expectation for automotive products to move beyond just being hit products or about product line scale, focusing instead on scenario-based functionality. Lei Jun emphasized that the Xiaomi SU7 is positioned as a C-class high-performance ecological technology sedan, a vehicle capable of carrying everyone's dreams. How will it carry these dreams? Through technology and ecology, or what Xiaomi refers to as the comprehensive human vehicle home ecosystem. In Xiaomi's view, this is a positive, cyclical system where devices and people coexist and grow continuously. The ecosystem provides intelligent services to people, who in turn bring intelligence back to the ecosystem, making it smarter. Leveraging the Xiaomi HyperConnect cross-platform connectivity framework, Xiaomi has integrated over 200 product categories, covering more than 95% of users' life scenarios. Surprisingly, Xiaomi has even considered the ecosystem experience of Apple users, supporting wireless CarPlay, AirPlay, and even iPad mounting. Alongside the debut of the Xiaomi SU7, Lei Jun also introduced the Xiaomi 14 Pro and the Xiaomi Watch S3 in olive green, reinforcing the concept of an ecosystem through a thematic color and product matrix strategy. On the other hand, building cars is likened to growing olives, which requires more patience compared to other crops. But with persistent care and scientific management, an olive tree can bear fruit for decades, even a century, much like Xiaomi's approach to its automotive venture. We aim to become one of the top 5 global automakers through 15 to 20 years of effort, Lei Jun confidently stated on stage.